Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim and welcome to my Creative Engineering YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification in order to be aware of the upcoming videos. In this third part of our video tutorial series that how to make a simple house in SketchUp, we will look at how to create floor, roof, stairs and parapet walls. So let's first start creating our roof for this simple house. To start, choose the line tool from the last tool set and start drawing your lines along the exterior edges of the walls like this. Just continue drawing your lines like this. Now choose the 2-point arc tool from the last tool set and let's specify the first point, the second point, and now we will specify the radius for this arc graphically like this. Now choose the push-pull tool and pull it upward by an amount of 15 centimeters. Now triple click on this roof and make it a group like this. Now as you can see, we have created our roof. Now we will make our stairs. So choose the rectangle tool from the last tool set and zoom in a little bit and start drawing your first rectangle like this. Now we will create 2 other rectangles for our stairs like this. Now choose the 2-point arc tool and we will create 2 arc like this and another arc. Specify a radius graphically like this. Now choose the line tool and connect this point to this to create our surface. Now choose the eraser tool and erase these extra lines like this. Now select these faces and reverse it like this. Now choose the push-pull tool from the last tool set, pull it upward by 16 centimeters and let's pull this one as well. Now as you can see, we have created our stairs. Now choose the eraser tool and erase these extra lines like this. Triple click on the model and make it a group like this. Now let's zoom out a little bit and select our whole model like this. Now press and hold the shift key and deselect the stairs. Choose the move tool from the last tool set and now let's move it upward like this. Now you can select the roof. Choose the move tool from the last tool set. Press the Ctrl key to take a copy of that and move it downward like this to create our floor. Now click on this floor plan and hide it. We will orbit a little bit like this and open this group by double clicking. Now choose the push-pull tool and pull it downward like this. Now as you can see, there is a surface missing in the stairs. To provide a surface, choose the rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle like this. Choose the eraser tool and erase this extra line. Let's close the group and zoom extend. Now if you orbit a little bit, you can see that we have created our stairs, roof and floor. Now we will create our parapet wall. To create a parapet wall, double click on this roof, choose the offset tool from the last tool set and let's offset that by 10 centimeters like this. Now choose the push-pull tool and pull it upward by 60 centimeter like this. Now close the group. Now what you can see is that we have created our floor, roof, stairs and parapet wall. In the next video, I will show you how to create a sunshade and cornice for this simple house. Now if you find this video helpful, let me know by hitting the thumbs up because it helps my channel to grow in some way, and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Have a great time.